Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best air hockey tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fat Cat Pockey 7 feet air hockey, table tennis, and billiard table. This is a multi-games 3-in-1 game table combining air hockey, table tennis, and billiards. This table is easy to change as it has a special swivel technology. This multi-game table helps you to save space in your game room, allowing you to play 3 games on one table. The table comes all the playing accessories that require for all the games. This table features 110 volts powered dual electric blowers to ensure an even airflow across the playing surface. It is also easy to assemble this table and comes with a clear assembly manual to show you how to do the assembling. The table also has 4 strong L-style that are adjustable to ensure that the table is stable on any surface. This table is perfect for the beginners, intermediate and also professional air hockey players. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ESPN Air Hockey Game Table. This is a great air hockey table that is perfect for professional and intermediate level player. It features a strong 120V motor which ensures even air flow across the playing surface for optimal performance. The tabletop is of PVC material which makes it scratch and dents free. The table features integrated LED lights and sound effects systems, making your game more exciting. This air hockey table also comes with 2 stickers and 2 pucks which are LED enabled. The LED lights change automatically when any player scores a goal, making your game more interesting. Also, the legs of this table are durable and steady to support the weight of the table, making it stable and firm in one place while playing. At number 3, we have the Playcraft Sports 40-inch air hockey table. This 40-inch air hockey table is perfect for children and young people. It is the best air hockey table if you are short of space. This table is easy to assemble and is a great choice for the beginner-level players. It is made of strong MDF hardwood frame. To maintain constant and even airflow, this table features a 100 CFM air-powered motor, for smooth and easy gliding on the playing surface. The table also comes with 2 pucks and 2 pushers. This table boasts an aesthetic appeal and a sleek modern styling that your kid will definitely love. Many people turn their nose up at cheaper, smaller air hockey tables. This comes as no surprise, really. Many of them are not all that good. However, you are urged to look beyond this. If you want a cheaper table that your children, who may not be all that into air hockey, want to play, you may want to look into one. Let's look at the Playcraft Sport, a 40 inches table. Who is this table for? This Playcraft Sport 40-inch tabletop air hockey table has been built for children or occasional players with very limited space. Simple as that. It is small at just 40 inches in length. This means the accessories are small. It's hard to imagine an adult being able to play on this table and look as though they are playing seriously. At number 2, we have the Harvil 40-inch air hockey table. In case you are looking for the best air hockey table designed for both intermediates and beginners, the Harvil 40-inch air the best for you. This table has a thick laminated playing surface with vibrant graphics that is very solid and strong. The AC12V motor is powerful enough to provide sufficient airflow, allowing the puck to slide easily and well during air hockey tournaments with your friends and family. The table also has a manual scorer on both ends of the table. It is easy to assemble the table, and there is a clear assembly manual guide to show you how to do the assembling. The Harvil air hockey table weighs 14.77 pounds and measures 40 by 19.63 by 8 inches, which is a perfect size for casual play or tournaments. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sports Squad HX40 electric air hockey table. If you are looking for a reasonably affordable and not too bulky table for air hockey, then this table from Sports Squad is the best option to consider. The size of this air hockey table is perfect for both kids and adults, as it's only 19 inches wide, 40 inches long and 5 inches high. This table also features an electrically powered motor to maintain continuous and even air flow. The air table also comes with 2 pucks and 2 strikers. Moreover, the table is easy to install compared to other models on the market. The table has a manual scorer, for accurate result who is winning the game. It also has rubber pads on the feet to prevent scratches when placed on the tabletops, carpets, and floors. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.